Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. If you love the idea of being able to create realistic room mock-ups for your clients so they can really visualize how all of the furniture selections are going to come together within their space, but you're hitting a roadblock because the images that they provide to you of their space are like this, where it's drab, it's kind of dirty looking, it's on the wrong angle, it's blurry, and it's just not something that you can really use to create a beautiful room mock-up, then keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create empty room renderings using the 3D floor planner, and then with one click take that empty rendering and then transfer it into the Moodboard editor so that you can use it as a backdrop for your room mock-ups. So let's go ahead, we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to use this design as the example. So you can see here that this is the image that I have started with. So let's say that this is what my client has provided to me. I want to create a room mock-up, but I'm certainly not going to use this as the backdrop for that design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Design Files floor planner, and I'm going to recreate the space as a floor plan. Now, there are videos that will show you how to create your floor plan and how to add your windows and your doors. So be sure to go ahead into the video tutorial library and check those out. In this video, what I wanted to do is just kind of quickly show you how you can take that empty rendering and then immediately add it to the Moodboard software so that you can start using that as a backdrop for your design. But the cool thing about creating your empty rendering using the 3D floor planner is that you can literally just, once you've built out your design, you can customize the walls with any paint colors that you like. You can customize the trim color. You can go ahead and change up the flooring. You can do whatever you want to do here. And then when you basically jump into the Render Studio here, that's going to allow you to just rotate this design around so you can pick the different angles that you want to be able to use as the backdrop for your mood board, your room mock-up. And then once you have it in the correct angle, you can hit create. Once it's created, over here in the right side panel where it's going to show my renders, we're just going to let it do its thing here. This little button here with the 3 dots, if I click on that and say open in Moodboard, it's going to then transfer this empty rendering into the Moodboard editor for you so that you can then start layering in all of those product images for any of the items that you've already collected and you want to use within this design. So it's quick, it's easy, it gives you a really clean, beautiful backdrop that you can work with. And the great thing about building out your empty renders in the 3D floor planner is that you can then also rotate this around, and you could do a variety of different angles as well. Create a new render and then load that one into the Moodboard editor as well, so you can show the design from different angles. So if you have been trying to create room mock-ups with the photos that you have received from your client and it's just not really giving you that clean professional look that you want, try out this technique where you're going to build out that empty render using the 3D floor planner and bring that straight into the Moodboard editor so that you can build out those designs and have something that is clean and beautiful and just will help your client really visualize how those items are actually going to look within their space. Now, if you do have any questions at all about how to create those empty renders and how to bring it into the Moodboard editor, feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We are always happy to help, and thanks so much for watching.